All right, swapping out the condensate pump. Here's the old boy. Oh yeah, check this out. Jelly time. Got the new one. And this is pretty interesting. Just open to the closet. Just, I don't know, I guess they cut out the bottom. Let's see how the coil is. It's been about a year and a half, 2 years. At least the coil's okay, but that goes through the return box. And so that goes through here. So you can see all the light down there. But that I would be okay with. But check this out. Would you look at that? That's the attic. So we're just gonna suck in the return air. All right, so the guys have gotta seal this up. And if we've got some foam, I'll try to seal it up.
I got one.
All right, new pump is in there. I had to just foam everything out. So we'll have to cut it when it dries up really good. There's a new pump. I had to foam it there. Had to foam it underside here as well. All right.